Okay, so let's say you're ready to start recording some of your math lessons and you want to use the ActivInspire software. You're just going to go ahead and open up ActivInspire, and you don't need the key for it because you're not actually using any of the clickers. You can go ahead and do this from home without the key. I'm just going to close this right here, and I'm going to use the template or the canvas that's right here. And what we're going to do is we're going to add a button up here that lets us record what's going on the screen. So go up to View and click on Customize down here. And the cool thing about ActivInspire is it's got all these different profiles that change which buttons you see up here. So like right now it's on the At the Board profile, which is if you're using this in the classroom and you had a smart board. It's just your basic buttons, your pen, highlighter, eraser, and stuff like that. But what we'll be using it for probably the most is our mathematics. And you'll see some of the buttons change up here. You get a ruler, you get a protractor, and a bunch more math tools. So we're going to go ahead and use the mathematics profile, and we're going to add our camera to our mathematics profile. So make sure you're on commands here and scroll all the way down near the bottom. And just right above the bottom is an option called Menu Screen Record. And you click on that and then just click Add. And you'll see this little camera just showed up right here. To keep this always on your mathematics profile, and so you don't have to keep doing this, you can just go ahead and say Save Profile. And then you'll click on Done. And to change between profiles, like if you opened it up and it was on the At the Board profile, this little card right here with the, it looks like a little card, lets you choose which profile you want to use. So we'll just stick with the mathematics. So let's click on our little camera. You get two different options. You can record full screen, or you can record a part of your screen, which is the area screen recorder. For this, let's just go ahead and do the area screen recorder, and you're going to highlight the part that you want them to see, the part that you want to actually record. So I'm just going to go ahead and do the white canvas because they don't really need to see all the other stuff. We're going to say Launch Recorder, and it's not recording yet. We'll move this out of the way so it's not in the recording view, and hit Record. And it's going to ask you what you want to call it and where you want to save it. So let's put it on the desktop. Click Save, and it is recording. And from here, you can go ahead and just start using your pen and do really whatever you need to do for your math lesson. And you can pull any of these tools down here, which is cool. You got a little protractor. You can move it, turn it. I think I clicked on it twice on accident. If you want to get rid of them, or I didn't even know you could do that, make it smaller and bigger, you can click on this little document thing and click Close, because if you click on it, it's not going to actually, and click on Delete, it's not going to delete, so you just have to click on that and hit Close. And once you're done with your actual lesson, well, one quick thing, this little spray bottle helps you delete whatever you have. So annotations is any of the writing. If you want to keep some of the objects up, you hit Clear Annotations. That'll get rid of your writing. But if you have like some objects on here, like if you wanted to put pentagon or something, you can put it right there and hit Escape to get rid of those shapes. And if you just wanted to keep your writing and any other stuff, you can say Clear Objects, and that'll get rid of stuff like the pentagon. That keeps this here, but you can just click there and erase it. And if you want to just delete the whole canvas, you'll just say Clear Page. And this still isn't gone, so you have to actually click and go to Close. So once you're done with your recording, you're going to come over here and click Stop. And this little play button lets you actually watch what you recorded, so you can check to see. And from here, you can go ahead and just start using your pen and do really whatever you need to do for your math lesson. And you can pull any. And there's your math lesson. So if you minimize this, you'll see that your math lesson is right there on the desktop. And that is how you use ActivInspire to record you some math lessons.